Welcome back on Dynamo. Today I want to propose you a modification and magnetizing of shinks. This is a particular project because it's thought to apply both for the troops of the shinks and to create through them also personages, characters. So I want to use such an opportunity to make this the first part of a project that it will involve more videos about in which I present different modifications. This is the basis on which I create those videos, so to make see how to monetize such type of models. And had to say that it's quite an interesting thing, even if you in some way you can even referring about such type of magnetizing to previous videos, for example like the Saurus one or other videos similar to this one. So this anyway it's quite important one because it's a video that let you understand how to put the magnets on this type of models. The first modification that you can try is the clipping out of the base that you have on the shinks themselves. Here you can refer in some way to the video about the Saurus that you can find in the up here link or in the description. But anyway, here you have anyway to pay quite a bit of attention because the feet of the shinks are quite delicate. So you have to pay a bit of attention in removing and polishing the base of the feet of such models. But anyway, it's not a complicated part about such type of models. And now we can talk about the body itself of the shink. And you have to note that the surface that you can use to put the magnet inside it's around 2 mm. So the maximum diameter that you can use about the magnet that you use to put inside such a model it's only a 2 mm one. So you have to pay a bit of attention about such a thing. And pay quite a lot of attention when you drill, because it's not so easy to drill with such a short surrounding surface that you can use. Moreover, you have to remember that when you put the magnet inside, you will strain the surface of the model itself. For example, you can see the white part that it's caused the strain that the part around the magnet suffer when you put the magnet inside the model itself. So you have to pay a bit of attention. In this case, I decided to use on both sides the magnets. In this case, it's a way to use a referring to put a lot of range of arms and different accessories that can I put on such type of model. And remember that I use a rose as a magnet, so the second magnet that you put inside will have, as in the model descriptor for the rose in the Space Marine video, will have a bit of resistance when you put inside, because the distance is quite short, and so you have a bit of resistance as a magnetic force. But anyway, it's not quite a problem. It's only something that you have to remember when you put inside such magnet. And what it's important to remember is that you have to pay a lot of attention in the drilling, because it's quite delicate in that point. And the final part to modify the model is obviously the weapons themselves, so in this case the arms of the model. And here it's a bit of crazy part. You have to pay really a lot of attention. This will be the much consuming part of all the modification of such type of model, because the surface that you can use on such arms it's 2 mm one, but it's really close to 2 mm one, and you can drill inside such shoulder of the arms themselves for really a few parts. So it's better if you use magnets that are half millimeter as thickness. So believe me, pay a lot of attention. In this case I didn't have half millimeter ones as thick, and so I used 1mm one. So you can use even then, but you have to remember that it's the maximum size that you can use on such type of arms. And if you do such a thing, you have to pay really a lot of caring about such shoulders, because it's really close to breaking through. So you have to adjust step by step how much you drill inside shoulders. You can consider it really a crazy one in this way, but if you are able to do such a thing, it's really quite compensating, because it's quite a lot of success being able to do such a thing, but it requires quite a lot of attention. So really pay attention, because it's the most difficult part that you can have, and maybe one of the main different monetization that you can realize using such type of magnetizing, because it's really quite at the limit as a magnetizing. So as I said, this is the first of a series of videos, so it will be quite interesting to develop such project. I decided to propose you such a way because it's quite interesting in my food, because it's quite interesting to modify such type of models that they are considered quite strict as doing so. It's not so common to see such type of modifications and always magnetizing, but I think that they can give you quite a lot also of efforts to realize, but of satisfying ending results. So I think that it's a video that can be quite interesting one. From Dynamod, it's everything. I invite you to put a like on this video, to subscribe to the channel, to ring the bell, and to comment this video if you are interested in something about this video, or you want to suggest me some arguments for other videos. I hope to see you again to the next time.